right, guys, so it rained last night, and I just wanted to show you why I stake or cage my peppers. This is what happens when you do not stake or cage your peppers. When the pepper starts to grow very big and then it rains with wind, that whole thing can just collapse, like literally fall down to the ground and break over. These are not that big yet, but you can see how they're almost falling over and the winds were not that strong. I learned this lesson many years ago. I had huge peppers, a strong wind came through and everything was on the ground. So now I stake or cage my peppers. This one's over here. You can see I have the stakes driven into the ground. I try to do that as soon as I plant the peppers, put the stakes down. That way I don't disturb the roots later on, as you can see, but I did that and I did not tie the branches to the stake, which you should do using either a twine like this one, no, sorry, a twine, a garden twine like this one, or this plant tie twists like this one. I like this one because it's pre-cut, but you can always use this one. Let me show you peppers that I have in cages. You see, these are cages around my peppers. The cages are better, quite frankly, because I know these peppers, they grow really big, especially when I have them growing in a big container like this. The bigger the container, the bigger the pepper plant it produces. So if you have your pepper growing in a huge container, go ahead and put a cage, a tomato cage around them. It will provide that structure for your branches to rest on and just provide support that way. I didn't want to spend money on buying more cages, and so I have some staked and some in cages. So right now I'm going to go ahead and apply the plant twist ties to hold the stem to my stake. Just gonna grab the tie, and then we want to get to this point right here and then twist it around. We're not trying to choke the plant, give it room to grow. And that's it. Probably do another one, maybe one more up this way. Okay. Where is it? And now my pepper plant is secure. Do this other one. Let's grow up from here. All done. You can see where I put the ties right here, right there, and right there. You want them maybe about 6 inches or so apart. You know, again, we're not trying to suffocate the plant. We just want to give it some structure as it starts to bear fruit. It's gonna get heavy on top, like top heavy, and so it's not quite stable. That's why you cage or stake. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment if this added value to you, and most importantly, do not forget to grow a garden. Until next time, bye.